finished doing the other half of my pork loin. Cleaned it up real good. We're using the Bullseye Everyday barbecue sauce, the original. I like Bullseye. Loved it. I can now get it at the Dollar Tree. Alright, there's still a little left inside. I'm using a little apple cider vinegar. Also from the dollar store. 5% acidity. Shake it up. That is going to give it that little bit of bite. Pork and apple cider vinegar go very well together. Now what we're going to do is mix it a little together. You notice the top of the bag inside out. And you want to start adding them one at a time, making sure they're fully coated. Here, I'll make this a shorter video. Alright, I'm just finishing up. Hit quick pause again. And there we go, we're done. Now I turn the seal part inside out. Start from all the way at one side, go all the way up to the other side. Stop about 1 inch. Now it's time to get all the air out. And there we go. Take it up a 1/2 inch. As we get right about there, seal it. We're done. All right, one is longer than the other. When you put it into the fridge, do it that way. When you put it in the fridge, the longer one, you want to put it up against the wall like this, so nothing can drip out. Leave this in the fridge for a day, then throw it into the freezer, defrost it, you're ready to go. When you freeze and defrost, the marinade sinks into the meat even more. Love it.